Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the table tag, how to prepare a table, and we'll just try a demo which is given in the textbook. So here we have a table tag which is a container tag. You have to end the table tag at the end of the program. Then we have a caption tag to give the heading for your table. By default, the value of the caption is always top. But if you want that your caption or the heading of your table should be at bottom, you can give it an align attribute and just give the value as bottom. Then next is your tr tag. This tr tag always specifies the row of your table. Whenever you want to start a new row, you have to give a tr tag and you have to write /tr tag to end it. Next is th tag. If your table consists of so many headers, you need to write those headers with the help of th tag. And even th tag is a container tag, you require it to end with /th. Whatever you write inside the th tag will appear in a bold format. After that we have a td tag, that is a data content. If you want to add the content inside your table, then you use a td tag. We have a border attribute for the table. So if you want to give a border to your table, then you have to write border is equals to and its value. So you can give the value of the border in the form of numbers. So from 1 to 10 or more than that also you can give, and you can see that your border is going to change accordingly. The thickness of it is going to change. Then is border color. If you want that the border color of your table should have some specific color, then also you can give a border color to your table, and you can give the alignments according to your wish. There are total 3 alignments like left, right and center. So these are the alignments and you can give these alignments to your table. After that we have a background color. So you can set a background color for your table. So this is how the table can be created in your HTML program. Now we'll start with the practical demo. So I have opened the notepad here. So we'll write HTML first and then the head tag. After that we'll be writing the title tag. So title tag, and then I'll be giving the title as table with 4 rows and 3 columns. This is the title. So I'll end the title and we'll end the head here. So now we'll be starting with the body tag. After that, next will be your table tag. So we'll be giving a border here. So border will be displayed like is equals to, I'll give a border value as 4 and then I'll be closing the tag. So now we'll start with the first row, that is the tr tag, then with the first header, that is the th tag. So the first header SR number, then end the th tag. Then the second header is input device, again end the th tag. Then the third is output device, then we'll end the th tag, and then now I'll end the tr tag, that is my first row. Now I'll start with the second row, that is tr tag. So here I'll be writing the data, I'll be filling the data. So this is my td tag for data filling. So inside the td tag I'll be writing as 1 and I'll end my td tag because it's a serial number. Then the next td tag, in that I'll be writing as keyboard, and then I'll end the td tag. In that I'll write as next td tag is monitor, which is an output device. So I'll end the td tag here and then I'll end my second row here. So next is the third row, which I'll be starting with a fresh tr tag. Again I want to fill the data. So td, now the serial number is 2. So I'll give a serial number 2. I'll end the td tag here. Then I'll start a td tag. In that I'll be writing mouse. So mouse, and then I'll end the td tag. Again I'll give a td tag and in that I'll be writing as printer. So this is how it will be displayed, and I'll end the TD tag here. I'll end the TR tag also. Now I'll be entering the next thing is next TR tag. So in the next TR tag we have a TD tag. In that I'll give a serial number as 3 and then I'll be ending the TD tag. Now we'll start with the next TD tag. In that we'll be typing joystick and plotter. So this is joystick and then I'll end the TD tag. Then I'll write TD plotter and then I'll end the TD tag and then I'll end the last row. Now this was the last row. Finally I'll end the table tag. With that I'll terminate the body tag and I'll be terminating the HTML tag. So this is how I'll be writing the tags using HTML. So we'll just save this program as demo2. So in the same manner I'll just save the program as demo2.html on my desktop. It's very easy to search it out whenever you want and quick result. So basically this is demo2. So this is the output. So this is very similar to the output which is displayed in your textbook. So here you can see they have given a demo program for you and this is the output. So same program we have executed here. So this is how it will display. Okay. If you require any caption for it, you can add a caption tag over here and give a caption for your table. So by that you can give a caption. So you'll write here input and output devices. Okay, and then we'll end the caption here. So on the top the caption will be appearing on the top of your table. So let us see how it appears. So this is how the caption appears. So please try this video, please try this program at home. Do give a comment on the comment section. You can also take a screenshot if you want and you can do this program. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.